Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the long-term chart of Neptune Wellness Solutions Inc. Now this is a well-developed chart, and as you can see the data is available since 2005 or even 2002 or 3. So we have enough data to talk about the trend. Now let me tell you that the chart is moving in between a range, so it is giving us a confidence, I would say, so that we can talk about the chart and forecast the trend, and chances are it will move in the same way as we are expecting. Now I just want to talk about this candle first. So although it's a monthly chart, but this candle, you may see if you go to the daily chart, you will see that the stock went up from 1.65 till 3.6 and it sharply falls down. So this is because of daily volatility or whatever may be the reason, because the market is going down. But if you are looking at the overall chart, it does not makes any difference in the overall trend. So let's talk about that, as we are anyhow talk about the long-term chart. Now as you can see here, if I draw a line like this, you will see a well developed trend, and the support are well poised or well positioned. Now this is the lower end of the range, and as far as the higher range is concerned, what we are going to do, we are going to use both candlestick as well as line chart. So let's use line chart first, then we are going to use candlestick. Here we have, if you are using line chart, and here we are. Okay, now let's go to the candlestick, or I think one more is required here. So here we have. Okay, now as you can see, you can find almost all the data are in sync, and you can actually observe how the stock is moving. Okay, so what we are going to see here, and I can use this as well as our resistance. Now the first thing you need to observe is this level, 1.06, or let's say $1. Now this is your big support, and if the stock falls below $1, there is no need to carry any trend further on the downside, because this is a well developed trend, and if the stock violates this trend, then obviously the stock may go further on the downside below $1. So this will be your support as well as your stop loss. Now on the upside, we have limited amount of target, and that is well positioned. So your first target will be 3.47, you have 4.99, 4.93, afterwards you have 5.6, you have 6.47, and if I use candlestick, then as a part of extension, the big target or the trend could extend up to 7.5. so these are the targets that we are looking on the upside. And let me tell you, unless the stock makes a break above 7.5 or $8, we are not going to talk about any further upside. Or on the downside, unless the stock makes its move below $1, there is no downside either. So it's a trading range, and it's a big range, so we are not going to talk about the no about anything beyond the range. So here we have, and if it doesn't fall below $1, probability is over a period of time, which means next couple of weeks and months, it will definitely retest the upper end of the range. And you can see there are different levels, so treat each and every target on individual basis. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.